Okay, it's recording. Okay guys, so you've been on the 14-day fat furnace. How have you found your experience over the 2 weeks?
Bad. Really, really bad. But in a really good way. I just feel so much better than I did 14 days ago. I know I've lost pounds. I feel healthier. And I've got spirit.
Good stuff. Carol?
Yeah, I did find it tough getting up and being here, but I think the team and group spirit really helps you through, knowing that other people are going to be here as well. I know I've changed shape, but I haven't weighed myself, and I have thoroughly enjoyed it. I really have.
Okay, Helen?
Also, it was pretty hard to get up in the morning, but then meeting all the girls and motivating each other was really good, and I actually started looking forward to it. I've reached my goals. I've lost what I wanted to lose. I feel cleaner and clearer.
Clean and clear, definitely.
Yeah, healthier for the diet and educated in a way.
Yeah, a lot of
eating, for the way to eat. And yeah, very happy with how it's all gone.
Excellent. So will we see you booking in again?
Yeah,
absolutely.
Fantastic.
Unfortunately, I won't be here, but I'll be
Oh yes, you'll be in
yeah,
Europe.
yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
And in one word, I'd say invigorating.
Okay.
Yeah.
Totally invigorating.
Yeah.
Awesome.
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 Good job.
Awesome.
Okay, thank you very much, ladies.